everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, Becca, which is me, and Hannah went to LA. So this is part of our little California road trip series. So we have done the videos already on Yosemite and San Francisco. This is LA, and then the next one, the last one, will be San Diego. So we started off by getting a taxi from the airport to Santa Monica, which is where we were staying, and then we walked towards Venice Beach. We actually got on those like bikes that you can hire for part of the way, but we couldn't go the whole way on those, so we walked the rest of it, and we were very lucky and had the most beautiful sunset when we were there. We saw the skateboarders, which was really cool, and it was just like a vibe being around there. Although, to be honest with you, Venice Beach wasn't our favourite. We definitely prefer Santa Monica Beach. We then got dinner, and as always with America, the portions were absolutely massive. We've just been to the Cheesecake Factory for dinner. I think the Madeira chicken was the best thing. And now we're at Trader Joe's. Just going down to get some water and snacks and another tote bag. And it's cold again. So we just made it to the room. Bathroom. We've got like a little closet. And then this is the vibe. It's definitely giving beach. I mean, we are in Santa Monica. So we've got two mini double beds. Kind of a view. And then just like a little dressing table, coffee machine, etc. We're up bright and early this morning, going to go on a walk down to the beach and enjoy the weather. We didn't realise the sun sets really early here compared to San Francisco, so at like 4:30 the sun was starting to set, and then it was like completely pitch black by like 5:30ish. So need to make the most of the sun whilst we've got it. Our plan for today is to do a little Hollywood sign hike, and then we're going to go to the Warner Brothers studio, so of course we'll bring you along with us. Here's the vibes. This is the vibe. So we're just gonna walk and grab some breakfast now. We're gonna get an acai bowl. Very excited. It's a lovely fall day, although it feels like summer to us because we're used to the London weather. I'll show you the other side. So I've got a dragon fruit acai bowl. Hannah's got just a normal acai bowl. Very excited. Hannah has made it to the Hollywood sign. Oh, vibe, honestly. So there's like no one here. It's very empty. So it just says a sign. Ready, go. Wow. So cool. For the gram. Or the tube. On our hike to the Beachwood Cafe. So there's a viewing point down there as well. And the one we did was up here. And then the Hollywood sign is up there.
Yeah, we got the...
Got our Beachwood Cafe drinks, just had lunch in the Uber over here, and now we're at the Warner Brothers studio tour.
There's that for the snow as well. Then actually there's a fake snow that can be used too, has same properties, it can be packed.
Yeah. I smell snow.
What?
It's coming. I always know and I can smell it. I'm never
Wasn't in the
wrong.
forecast.
It's just my favorite time of the year. The whole world changes color.
I think I'm blacking out.
Yeah, I smell snow.
What?
It's coming. I always know and I can smell it. I'm never
Wasn't in the
wrong.
forecast.
Some very cool Batmobiles over here. And then we just sat on this as well.
Tell you where you ought to be. Honourable to the core. A head like yours is a joy to see. Hufflepuff!
Hannah would say. There we go. Yep. Love. Sprinkle some magic.
There's nothing hidden in your head
Wow.
the saucy cat can't see.
So I went for the Venice breakfast burrito, which is like absolutely massive. And then Han got fruit, an omelette, and toast. Yum. Walking down Rodeo. What do you think, Han? Stunning. It's got Han's approval.
Questions you may have. Really do their best fucking job.
This like doesn't look real.
Oh, John said it when you get home.
Are you sure?
We're back on our bus. Currently at the walk thing, but we thought we'll go back to Rodeo because we liked the like restaurants and stuff like that there, and try and get an Air One if we can before the last bus goes back to Santa Monica. Salad ever. It's from Sweet Greens. It's kale Caesar and it's sweet potato. So we're just walking back now. They've cornered all of this off, but the Beverly Hills sign is just there. We've just been to Sweet Greens and Air One. How very LA of us. No, you can't see it. We then went on a night out in LA, and the following morning had another lovely walk along the Santa Monica Pier before we got our bus to San Diego. So that'll be the next vlog. Please like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you soon. Bye.